let's take a look at a pretty cool situation to use algebraic expressions to represent a real-life situation. It takes approximately 10,000 plastic bags to recycle into a park bench. Wow! We can make a park bench out of 10,000 plastic grocery bags. That's a much better use for them than littering up the side of the road or filling up a landfill. 10,000 of them. So you've seen those park benches with the plastic pieces of wood on them, which aren't actually wood, but they're plastic. So we can make those out of plastic bags. So what are we asked to do here? Write an expression representing the number of plastic bags needed to make X number of park benches. All right, so we want to make some unknown number of park benches, X, and how many plastic bags will we need to make X number of park benches? So our unknown is X, so let's see what we can do with this. Let's say X equals the number of park benches. That's what we're given in this situation. We're given that we don't know the number of park benches, and we're going to use the variable X to represent that. So X is the number of park benches, and we know it takes 10,000 plastic bags to make each park bench. So that's a grouping situation. 10,000 plastic bags in X groups. So we could write that as 10,000 X. That is our algebraic expression. Cool. All right. So now what are we going to do with this? Well, this is a pretty useful expression to have if we want to know the number of plastic bags to make any particular number of park benches. So let's see. We're asked, find the number of plastic bags needed to make 3, 12, and 25 park benches. So we want to know how many plastic bags we need to make 3, 12, and 25 park benches. Well, we can create a table to do this. And so let's see. We know that our algebraic expression we're going to be using is 10,000x, and we will have a column for our x values and a column for our 10,000x. So the different x values we're using, we're going to try 3 park benches, we're going to try 12 park benches, and 25 park benches. So now that we know the values that we can use for x, we'll replace those in the algebraic expression and compute a number. So here, 10,000 times 3, well, 10 times 3 is 30, so this would be 30,000. To make 3 park benches, we need 30,000 plastic bags. Well, to make 12 park benches, 10,000 times 12. Well, let's see, this would be a 12 with 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros after it. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 120,000 plastic bags. All right, that's pretty cool. Now for 25 park benches, we have 10,000 times 25. So once again, this would be 25 with 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros after it. 250,000 plastic bags. Well, that's a much better use for plastic bags than just throwing them in the garbage. So when you see those plastic park benches, those are made from recycled grocery bags. All right, well, I've got a couple here, so we can get started. Only a few thousand more to get a park bench made. So you've seen a really good use of an algebraic expression to represent a real-world situation, and then to use that expression to find some numerical results when we know some more information.